Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to Unit 7 Al-Ghazali's Dialogue Literary Appreciation. In this unit, we are going to focus on using a literary text not only to express our appreciation to them, but also we are going to explore how a literary text can be used as an engagement tool in the process of critical thinking. You might be wondering why we need to study a literary text and how can a literary text be used to support critical thinking. The study or appreciation of literature is very interesting and helpful for learners in so many reasons. Literary text requires close reading and analysis of a fictional work. As readers of a literary text, you are expected to evaluate the text and critically appraise the text and investigate on the different elements in the text and relate it to the overall theme and take away messages. Before we indulge further, let me give you a brief definition of a literary text. A literary text can be defined as the body of a written work produced in a particular language, country, or age, or the body of writings on a particular subject. When reading a literary text, we need to pay attention to how the story is written apart from its content. Studying a literary text can lead to a fruitful learning experience. In general, it can help learners to improve their command of language, express learners to learning about other cultures apart from their own, and also develop your critical judgment about the elements used in the story, and finally, enable learners to make comparison of life experiences between theirs and the characters featured in the text. One of the main emphasis of the course is to nurture your ability as learners to think critically. Literature provides the opportunity to engage learners in discussions and debates about the different ideas expressed in the text. You are also expected to engage critically and to have a dialogue with the text by asking why or how questions about the text. Moreover, you are also to apply inferencing skill to identify the different meanings underlying a text. In the upcoming lessons, you will be given a short story for you to read and analyze as a group or as a pair. First, you will be familiarized with the different elements of a short story and literary devices used in a literary text. Next, you are to apply critical thinking skills by identifying any uprising issues or conflict illustrated in the short story and to come up with appropriate solutions to overcome the conflicts featured in the text. Hopefully, by the end of the lesson, you will be able to develop your ability to express opinion, argue your case, and illustrate your arguments with appropriate examples taken from the text. And you are also be able to develop your ability to think critically in identifying problems and coming up with solutions to the problem. And finally, it is part of the aim of the course also to allow you to use effective communicative strategies during your presentation. Before we begin our lesson, let me end my introduction note with a quote from our Imam Al-Ghazali. Adopt a gentle tone when speaking, for verily the tone at times has a greater impact than the speech. Remember, students, when you want to express your opinion, you have to express it gently yet assertive. For with the right tone of voice, your opinion will be more persuasive and convincing. I hope you will enjoy the lessons ahead and you will be able to apply the different colored thinking hats and critical skills when reading the literary text. I will see you in the next lesson. Good luck, everyone.